guys, so today we have another product review and unboxing. What I have here today is a laptop riser portable stand from Lamicall. I did get this off of Amazon for around $8. It was a lightning deal, so I figured I'd give it a try. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's like. Alright guys, so this was pretty much it. That was inside the box. It does have a felt cover here that you can place when you're not using, or if you do take it with you, on your travels and whatnot. So it does have its own little carrying case, so that's pretty cool. I like that. And here is the unit itself. This is what it looks like when it is stowed away and not in use. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it works. Alright, so this is how it looks like opened up. It does sit a little high here on the back, as you can see. And you can also adjust the height by bringing these down and setting that back down if you don't like a pretty high angle from the back. So you do have that option. Let's go ahead and put it back. And then as for the sturdiness of it, this is just plastic. This is metal. So that's a good thing. As you can see, when you close it and open it, it retracts and folds just like that. So I don't foresee this breaking anytime soon since it is metal. So let's go ahead and put a laptop on here and see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. We're going to try and put a laptop on here and see what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so it is pretty sturdy and even. I'm not getting any play on the sides of it trying to tip it over, so that's good. So let's go ahead and bring the camera down here so we can take a closer look. Alright guys, as you can see, it does sit off the table pretty high up, and it is allowing for some good clearance and airflow from the bottom of your laptop here. Now moving to the front, we have rubber feet placed here to keep your laptop from slipping out. And like I said, it is rubber, so it won't scratch your laptop in any way. So let's do another play test here. Pushing down on the left and right to see if there's any wobble. And there is no wobble, so that is a plus. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing and review of the Lamicall portable riser laptop stand. And a couple things I do like about this is that, one, it is ultra portable. Just close this back up, fold the legs, fold these down, and that's pretty much it. It is the length of my forearm, so that is very portable. And it even comes with its own little case here, a felt case, so that it doesn't scratch anything it comes in contact with. Let's go ahead and place this back in here. There we go. And you're done. Honestly, I would use this as a primary laptop stand. However, I do have a number of laptop stands already. My primary use for this will be a laptop stand that I have connected to my bedroom TV. I do use that specific laptop for watching movies that I'm unable to plug into my TV. So this will be a good ideal laptop stand for that, as it does sit inside a cabinet. So it will allow for some good airflow for the laptop here. So I would recommend this product. It is only $8, so you can go buy a bunch of these if you do have multiple laptops, such as myself. Or if you just want to, use it just to try out, go right ahead. It is around $8 as a lightning deal. I believe it's $10 normally priced, so it is still pretty cheap. Alright guys, so that's my review for this. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, just so you know I know I'm doing a good job here. And I'll see you guys next time.